Hi you guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. I am excited for this video, as I am per usual every video. As you can see in the background, I don't know if in my last video I had the background going on. I can't remember. Anyways, I did get my background all kind of put together finally. It's been a long time coming since moving and getting married. Let me just say, it's difficult getting everything situated. So today's video I'm filming real quick before I head into work. We are going to be doing a tutorial with the new Decay Smiley palette. I picked this up a couple weeks ago during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty because if you ordered it, you got a free Smiley little makeup bag as like one of their little gifts, and I had to pick this up. So without further ado, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down below if you want. And let's get started, guys. So first off, I thought I would like wear appropriate attire for the Smiley video. I was like, why not wear my Smiley shirt? So anyways, here's what the palette looks like. Or like, I mean, the cardboard packaging, I should say. It has, there's some really pretty reflective letters and stuff. And then here's what the palette looks like. It is really cute. I think Urban Decay nailed this packaging. I honestly have to say I kind of want to get the pink one. This one is the like yellow and blue with some neutrals palette. I think this is so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch all the shades. Okay, so there are all the shades. I feel like they all swatched really nicely. This very top one is the like skin tone shade. But all the other ones are really, really pretty. The shimmers are pretty. They all switched really nicely. Swatched, I cannot talk. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull my bangs back and we'll zoom you guys in. Alright, hopefully, I'm trying out a different like focusing setting on my camera, so hopefully it stays in focus. Alrighty, so I'm not quite sure what I want to do for my look today, if I want to stay with the neutrals and do like a pop of blue, or if I want to do neutrals or like yellow with the neutral and the pop of blue. I don't know. Let's see. I'm just going to take like a nice fluffy brush, and I think I'm going to go with like this shade, and I'm going to kind of like work that into the crease. And I love how this palette does have a mirror. The shade is really pretty. I think I like it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in, they don't have like a shade deeper in this palette. That's kind of annoying. Maybe I'll go in with the yellow shade. It's actually called Smiley. That last shade I used was called Blast. I'm going to use a little bit more of a denser brush. I think I'm going to try to put that on the outer corner. This yellow is a really pretty shade. It's packing on really nicely. I'm kind of trying to just pack it in the outer corner. Some yellows, they can be really hard to get to show up, like they won't be very pigmented, but this one is really nice. Okay, and then I think I'm going to drag that down onto my lower lash line. Then I think I'm going to go in with the blue shade, and that's actually called Cyber Smile. I'm going to put that kind of like on my inner part of my eye. This blue shade is a bit, I don't know, I'd almost call it like hard pressed. It's not, like once I get on my finger, it's not transmitting onto my eye very good. Yeah, the blue shade's not good. It's not good at all, which is kind of a disappointment. I don't know, maybe if I put like a little bit of glitter glue down or something, that might work. I don't know. I'm gonna pause. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I did end up going in with some glitter glue. Let me zoom it back in. Okay, so this eye has glitter glue, this guy does not. I don't know, I felt like I could get the blue shade to work a little better when I did put the glitter glue on, but it still was not like transferring off my finger from the palette to my eye like very good at all. So that's kind of what the eyes ended up looking like. So overall, I feel like the palette did like perform really well. All the shades I used, the neutral shade, the yellow shade was really nice. The other shimmer shades, they swatched really nicely, so I feel like they're going to work really well. When I did swatch the blue shade, I did notice that it didn't swatch the greatest upon initial swatching. So I was a little bit concerned when I went to use it on my eyes, but I mean, overall, I feel like I was able to get the palette to work, and I do feel like I will use it because of the other shades. They are really pretty. Maybe I could use the blue like as a pop of inner corner color or something like that. But all over the lid, it was a little bit difficult for me to get it to work. Overall, I really did like the palette, and the packaging just pulls me in. I think I will just use it just for that. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy this quick little tutorial and or kind of like review of the Urban Decay Naked Smiley palette. I think it was pretty decent overall. Anyways, I hope you all enjoy this video, and don't forget you're absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.